Hi everyone, I am here to show you how to do a crochet chain. Now the chain will start most of your crochet projects, not all of them, but the majority. And I have big twist yarn today from Joann's. I got it in the color Taupe. Now this recommends the 6mm hook for it. All skeins are going to have some kind of recommendation. If your pattern calls for something different, then follow that, but I like to generally stick with what works for that specific yarn. And I do have the 6mm hook with us. Now I'm going to start off with a slip knot, like so. If you're not quite sure how to do the slip knot, I have another video that I will link above. So start off with that. And you want to make sure that the slip knot is actually on this part of your hook and not the tapered part, because as you can see, they are different sizes. So I like to hold my yarn like this through there, and with these fingers, I hold close to the project. Now, people hold it like a pencil hold sometimes, or a knife hold. It just depends whatever you want to do, whatever's more comfortable for you. So you're going to wrap it around, turn, and pull through. And that's one chain, as you can see right there. Wrap around and pull through. Now you have two chains. Now I will say that if you look at your hook, you can tell that it is not a perfect circle. And when you take it out, your slip knot hole is also not a perfect circle. So when you wrap it and turn to pull, it goes in smoothly. If you were to just kind of do this, it does not. So doing that motion with your wrist as you go will ensure that it's nice and smooth as it goes through. Now, as I told you before, you don't want to just keep it at the tip, because I will show you, if you only crochet with the tip and not go all the way through, see how it's like very tight? It's not the same chain. You want the 6mm, right? So take those off. You want to make sure that when you do it, you go through the full length of this area. You utilize this so that you have your chain. So we'll do that one more time. Now as you go, you want to keep moving your fingers that are holding close to the project a little bit closer. See, I did about 3, so then I'll just move up, because if not, your chains can get a little warped, or you'll be pulling a little tighter than necessary. So you just keep scooting your fingers up. Turn and pull, and turn and pull. Kind of a fluid motion. Now, each one of these little V's is a chain, so here we have 10. And that is how you start it.